Good morning, children. How you all? Hope you all fine. Okay, in the previous class, you learned the first chapter, and I started second chapter too. It is about addition and subtraction of four-digit numbers. Okay, children. Now we completed one exercise in that. I am going to continue the second homework in that exercise. Okay, children. Let us start our class. See that. Exercise 2.1, we completed 15 sums in that, remaining sums doing next B Roman and B Roman and how to add the numbers. See, add children, how? First one, 3805 plus 2073. See that? Write 3800. While writing the addition, write the digit down, digit carefully. 5 plus 3, 8, 7 plus 0, 7, 8 plus 0, 8, 3 plus 2, 5. Okay, see the second one, children. 123 plus 3, 2302. See here in the first number they given 3 digits and here 4 digits number. If they are given like that, while writing the number down number, write very carefully 123 or 2302. Add these two, 3 plus 2, 5, 2 plus 0, 2, 3 plus 1, 4, 2. Okay, see the next one, children. 2301 plus 1032 plus 1203. Okay, all are 4 digits only. Write number down, number carefully. Add these numbers. Okay. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. 0 plus 3, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. See the fourth one, children. 1343 plus 212 plus 3213. Here this number is 3-digit number which was given at middle. So while writing it, write carefully. 1343. Next 212. Write 212. From this side to left side you have to arrange the numbers while writing the number which is having lesser number of digits. Next 3213. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 3 plus 1, 4. Like that you have to write. See the next sums in that? See the fifth one. 2002 plus 303 plus 1001 plus 303. Now arrange them to write the numbers in order, children. How you will arrange? See, 2002, 303, 1001, 303. And 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. Okay, see the next ones. 0, 3 plus 3, 6 and 2 plus 1, 3. Next, sixth one. 111 plus 32 plus 2222 plus 4232. Here if you observe the numbers, 3 digits, 2 digits, 4 digits and 4 digits. Now arrange them in the proper way. How you will arrange? See here. I will write. See how to write. 111. Next 32. Next 2222. 1000 place onwards. Next 4231. Add these numbers. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 4, 6. Like that you can write. Okay children, see the next one in that. Children, you can do these sums very easily without any type of calculator, without any regrouping the numbers. But here arranging the numbers is must and should. For that purpose only they given like this. Okay. See the next one, 7th one. 8321 plus 432 plus 25 plus 1. Here also different types of digits, different number of digits was given. Here 4, 3, 2, 1. So after that you can arrange them. See that. 8321, 4320, 432. Next 25. At last 1. Arrange them in order. Okay. Arrange them in order. How you will write? Add them. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 3 plus 4, 7, 8. 8,799. See the next one. 8th one, last one children. 3 plus 32 plus 421 plus 5203. Arrange them in order. See. 3, 32. So 2 should be at the ones place. 32. Next 421. At last 4 digit number 5203. After arranging like that you can add them. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 3 9. 3 plus 2 5. 4 plus 2 6 5. Like that you can arrange them in order. Okay children? Up to now the additions what we done, there is no need of regrouping, that means carrying additions. These are all carrying additions. The numbers which comes the next ones, those are all addition with regrouping. Regrouping means carrying to other places. See the numbers was given. See exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2. See the first one in that. Arrow 1 at 544, 864. 4 plus 4, 8. 4 plus 6, how much more? 4 plus 6, 10. 10 means you have to write a 0, your ones place visit 0 here and 1 here. Next. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. See the second one. 477 plus 839. Okay. 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 means 16. Write 6 here. 6 ones place visit 6 here and 10's place visit 1 here. Next 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. Write 1 here. 1's place visit 1 and again 1 here. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 8, 13. See the third one children. 880. 880 plus 960. 0 plus 0. How much 0 plus 0? 0. 8 plus 6, no. What is 8 plus 6? 14. Write 4 here and 1 here. Next 9. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. See the fourth one children. 456, 654. See. What is 6 plus 4? What is 6 plus 4? 10. What is 6 plus 4? 10. Write 0 here and 1 up. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Write 1 here and 1 up. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. Okay, like that you can write. See the next one in that? Fifth one. 449 plus 838. What is 9 plus 8? 17. Write 7 here and 1 up. Next 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 4 plus 8. What is 4 plus 8? What is 4 plus 8? 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. So write 12 here. Like that you can see. Okay. See the next sums in that Roman. See the next sums in that Roman Amma. What is 6 plus 7? 13. Write 3 here and 1 up. 4 plus 1, 5. Next 7 plus 6, 13. Write 13 here. Seventh one. 778 plus 222. What is 8 plus 2? 10. Write 0 here and 1 here. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 10 again. Right here. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 10 again. Okay. See the next one, 8th problem. Last one in this Roman, 595, 909. What is 5 plus 9? What is 5 plus 9? 14. Write 4 here and 1 here. 9 plus 1, 10. Write 0 here and 1 here. Next. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 9. Or else 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Like that you can write. Okay. Next. See the B Roman in that exercise. Those are the additions regarding to the 4-digit numbers. Now what the additions we done regarding to 3 digits. Now I am going to start the addition with 4-digit numbers. Same like 3-digit numbers only children, but here somewhat difference is there. You have to write the next more place like thousands, hundred, tens and ones place I will show you. 3848 plus 5909. See here, 8 plus 9. What is 8 plus 9 among 17? Write 7 here and 1 up. Next 4 plus 1, 5. 8 plus 9. Again 8 plus 9, 17. Write 7 here and 1 up. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. See the second one. 6492, 1985. Okay. See how to do the additions. 2 plus 5. What is 2 plus 5? 7. Write 7. No need of carry any now. Only single digit came as 7. 9 plus 8. What is 9 plus 8? 17. Write 7 here and 1 up. Okay. Next 4 plus 1. 5. 5 plus 9. 14. Write 4 here and 1 up. 6 plus 1. 7. 7 plus 1. 8. Okay. See the next one in that Roman. Third one. 6980 plus 2289. 9 plus 0, 9. 8 plus 8. What is 8 plus 8 children? 16. What is 8 plus 8? 16. Write 6 here and 1 here. Next 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Write here. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. See the fourth one in that. 8479 plus 1231. What is 9 plus 1? 10. Write 0 here and 1 up. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11. Write 1 here and 1 up. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. What is 8 plus 1? 9. So 9700. 10. See the fifth problem in that. 4698 plus 4304. What is 8 plus 4? 12. Write 2 here and 1 up. 9 plus 1, 10. Write 0 here and 1 up. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3, 10 again. Write 0 here, 1. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Like that you can see. Okay. Okay, children, in the next class I will continue the additions. Okay, remaining additions in the next session I will continue. Till then, goodbye.